today's vlog episode, I am taking you with me here in Legazpi City. So, we arrived last night around 10 o'clock p.m. and nag-road trip kami coming from Parañaque. We left Manila around 4 o'clock a.m. and dumating kami dito ng mga 10 o'clock p.m. Pero in fairness naman kasi, kasama na doon yung mga stopovers namin for lunch and nag-dinner din kami sa Naga City. So, for today's agenda, we are going to the Cagsawa Ruins. Hopefully, makita natin yung Mayon Volcano for today's edition because medyo maulan yung panahon. And then, the next stop is going to be the Daraga Church. So, samahan niyo kami! So guys, it's currently 6:45 a.m. and kararating lang natin sa Cagsawa Ruins. So, hanap lang tayo ng parking area. Welcome to Legazpi City! So, our first stop is the Cagsawa Ruins. And, lapit na welcome Mayon!
Next up is the Daraga Church. Nestled on a hill with epic views of Mayon Volcano, this beauty isn't just Insta-worthy. It's history in stone. Let's take a peek and soak in those chill colonial vibes.
Okay! So guys, it's currently 8:15 a.m. and tapos na tayo dun sa dalawa nating spot na gusto nating puntahan. We are now here at Breakfast Republic. We're gonna have our quick breakfast first before we go to our next destination. Grabe yung selection nila dito ng breakfast. Look at that. Oh. Ang dami. Isipin mo ilang pages yan. Kaya naman pala, when we were searching for best breakfast place, ito yung isa sa mga lumalabas. My God! Na-overwhelm ako sa choices. Look at that. Look at that! Ang fluffy! Look! Oh my gosh. Guys. Nam na. We are on our way to Misibis Bay. So yung daan namin, look, parang bituka ng larak. Wait lang guys. Super mega zigzag yung daan. We're 17 kilometers away. We are here. Time check, it's currently 11 o'clock a.m. and we just arrived here at Misibis Bay. So, kanina nag-check-in na tayo dun sa may reception area. Unfortunately, hindi pa available yung room. So, what we are going to do, we are going to roam around the area muna. Check natin yung mga amenities. Explore natin yung mga areas na gusto nating puntahan later on pag naka-check-in na tayo. And thank God, ang ganda ng weather for today's edition. So, let's go! So, since hindi pa available yung room natin for check-in, na-explore muna namin yung resort. Tinitingnan namin yung mga beach area kung saan pwedeng mag-swimming. Chine-check din namin yung mga pool area. Merong 3 pools kasi dito. Kiddie pool, may infinity pool, and yung parang lagoon pool na tinatawag nila. Gaganda nitong mga villa. Ito yung mga para sa mga big groups. So, ayan. May mga sea view din dito. Pero, when we were booking kasi, sold out na yan. Okay lang. Since, kuripot muna tayo for today's edition. Kuripot!
Fuel up first, this restaurant's got all the chill beachy vibes and flavors to match. For the little adventurers, the kids' play zone is a total win. And for the grown-ups, game on at the billiards table.
Kuha na natin yung keycard natin, guys. So, we are going to the room. This is room 124. And this is going to be our view. Let's start the room tour. Okay, so first of all, can we talk about this bathtub? Yes, a bathtub welcoming you right at the entrance. Walking in, the vibes are immaculate, the bed is massive, super plush, and the aesthetic, clean, calming, and coastal. Of course, they've also got a smart TV, Netflix night while wrapped in fluffy blankets, say less. And this is the part I'm obsessed with. A private balcony overlooking the pool and a peek of the sea just beyond. Hey guys, time check, it's almost 4 o'clock p.m. And since makulimlim naman yung panahon, hindi na namin kailangan mag-antay na mag-sunset pa bago pumunta sa beach area. Since hindi naman mainit, so let's go! We're going there.
Right after the beach, we jumped into the infinity pool. Because honestly, why choose just one when you can have both? Good morning! Day 2 started with a satisfying buffet breakfast to get us energized for the day. We made sure to try a few dishes with that signature Bicol twist, flavorful, creamy, and just the right hint of spice. It was such a fun way to experience the local taste, even from the breakfast table. Safe to say, we were full and ready for whatever the day had in store.
Time check, 9 o'clock a.m. and kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. We are going to the reception area here. Magpapahatid kami sa buggy ride papunta sa may wharf to see ano yung itsura ng area doon. And if ever, kung maganda siya, makapag-swimming na rin kami for later. Okay. Sakay na tayo sa may buggy ride. Papahatid tayo sa may wharf. Tan! Yay! Look at that! Salamat sa good weather for today. Let's see kung ano meron sa may wharf. And ayan yung mga parking area. If ever you're bringing car here sa resort. Oh, nice! For snorkeling. Look at that. Ang ganda ng kulay ng dagat. Although yung sand, of course, adjust natin yung expectations natin. Wala tayo sa Boracay. But look at that. Let's go. We're ready. Coffee time. While enjoying the view from our room. Medyo makulimlim, pero ang sarap mag-swimming kanina since hindi super yung init. Busin muna natin to before tayo mag-workout later sa gym in preparation for our dinner buffet. Time check, it's almost 4 o'clock guys, and alam nyo na what's going to be our next activity. It's time to burn all the Bicol Express that we ate in the past few days. We are back here. Look, walang masyadong tao. Done with our workout for today. Babalik na tayo sa hotel room para mag-freshen up, and we'll wait for the dinner buffet later. Let's prepare the bathtub. Humingi tayo ng bubble bath sa front desk kanina, at ang bango niya in pair. Check, it's almost 10 o'clock a.m. and natapos kami ng breakfast buffet around 9:30 a.m. Palit lang kami ng damit, and now we are going to the beach area. Upon check-in, bibigyan kayo dito ng complimentary vouchers for kayak and paddleboard. So free na yun if you are checked in here at BC Biscay. So gamitin namin yung complimentary water activities namin habang hindi pa ganun kainit. And so, samahan niyo kami yung beachfront. May mga chairs na dito. This is the beachfront area. Diyan yung ating room. Somewhere there. Maglalakad tayo kasi may other cove pa doon. We'll see. Time check, 11 o'clock a.m. You guys, babalik na muna tayo sa room because super ganda ng panahon ng init. Yun yung gym kung saan tayo nag-workout. This is the Spice Market. Ito yung only restaurant here in Mesibis Bay. This is the infinity pool. Look at that. This is our way back to the hotel room. Let's go. Aircon muna tayo for today's edition because super init. Those guests na mag-a-avail ng scuba diving and snorkeling activity. So most of the guests nandun sila sa kabilang cove, and dito walang masyadong tao, parang kayo lang, and then ang daming puno, so hindi mainit. And then this is going to be your view, so pwede kayong upo dyan, ingat lang while nanonood kayo ng waves, or pwede kayong basta ng libro, whatever, here. ordered the Crispy Bicol Express with pineapple again. We ordered this on our day 1, but since nagustuhan namin siya, ulitin namin before kami mag-check out. Strongly recommended.
It's our last night here, so we took a slow walk around the resort to really take in the view one last time.
Good morning, guys! It's officially our day 4 here sa Mesibis Bay Resort. Time check, it's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Nakapack na yung mga luggages namin and ready na kami for check-out. Final walkthrough na lang ako sa room to make sure na wala kaming malimutan. And upon check-out, may i-visit kami na viewing deck. Alam ko may chapel din dito and merong view ng mga pillars. So we wanted to check yung area muna before we head back to Manila. Tapos na tayo mag-checkout, guys. As mentioned sa inyo, pupuntahan natin yung viewing deck and also mag-visit muna tayo sa church before heading back to Manila. Let's go! Konti yung tao today, so check natin. Pasok tayo sa chapel. OMG, ang ganda. Puro glass yung paligid niya. And hanapin natin yung entrance. Look! Ganda. I'm going to show you, nandito na kami sa may amphitheater. Hinihintay lang namin umalis yung mga tao because gusto ko pag nag-photoshoot ako, walang maraming photobombers. But look at that! Look!